Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Facebook page with Meta Business Suite account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Facebook and you need to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to go onto your page and click on switch and switch to Meta Business Suite. Click on that. So once you are in Meta Business Suite, you simply need to click on settings. So once you are here, you simply need to click on business assets. And here you need to click on pages and click on add assets. And here you need to click on Facebook page. So here you can see different options. So I'm going to click on claim an existing Facebook page. So here you can add Facebook page name or URL. So I'm going to search with Facebook page. Okay, click on next and click on I agree. Click on claim page. So it will take few seconds. Then you need to click on done. So here you can see that I added new Facebook page here. So this is a process by which you can connect Facebook page with Meta Business Suite account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.